So let's assume you work as a virtual artist in the game industry. For sure, you will always find yourself collaborating with developers, which means at some point you may need to make use of some command line languages like Python, JavaScript, Ruby, and the rest. What if I tell you I was able to speed up my workflow by integrating JavaScript into my work? I was able to get this job done even without understanding a line of code. JavaScript is not solely for web development nor web application development. You can also integrate it into Adobe After Effects. With the help of ChatGPT, you can get this job done. All you need to do is simple. First, you go to your project settings and branch out to expression. While at expression, you change the command line to JavaScript. And on the other side, you open your browser. It might be Google Chrome, whichever web browser you use, and you go to ChatGPT. While you are at ChatGPT, you send out an instruction to ChatGPT to generate a code for you, just like what you have here. As soon as you are done generating the code, you go back to your Adobe After Effects. While you are at your Adobe After Effects, you try and locate the source text. While you are at the source text, you left click and press Alt at the same time, just so that the option for the command line can be activated. As soon as the option is available, you paste your command line. When you paste your command line, automatically it will automate the process for you, thereby making the complex procedure look so effortless. And there you have it. Just imagine how long this might have taken me to do, assuming I don't have access to ChatGPT. So here is what I feel about ChatGPT. So here is what I feel about AI. AI is not here to collect your job. Instead, AI is here to assist you to get the job done in the fastest way that is obtainable. But if you are a lazy designer, believe me, AI will definitely make you jobless. Or let me put it this way, if you are lazy with your craft, AI will definitely make you jobless. Above all, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you love this demonstration.